In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to Microsoft Excel. We'll use the Xero App Store to add an integration called Sync Hub, which makes it easy to bring your accounting data straight into Excel for reporting, analysis, and dashboards. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Xero account and that you have permission to connect apps for the organization you want to work with. It also helps to have Excel ready on your computer or accessible via your Microsoft 365 account. Start by opening Xero in your browser and confirming you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one. From the Xero header, look for the app's icon, the small grid that opens the app options. Click that icon to open the app launcher. In the launcher, choose Xero App Store. This is where you'll find trusted integrations that extend what Xero can do. When the store opens, use the search bar and type Sync Hub. You're looking for the listing that connects Xero with Excel to sync your data into spreadsheets. Open the listing to review the overview, features, and any pricing or trial information so you understand how it works and what data it will access. When you're ready, select Get This App. Xero will guide you through a short connection flow. You'll be prompted to allow access and to confirm the organization you want Sync Hub to use. Take a moment to review the permissions requested. These typically include read access to your accounting data so the app can pull information into Excel. If you're not an account admin or advisor, you may need someone with higher permissions to approve the connection. Once access is granted, you'll land in Sync Hub with available connection options. Look for the Excel option and select it. From here, you can start your work. Choose whether to create a new workbook or connect to an existing one, and decide which data sets you want to bring in, such as invoices, contacts, accounts, or tracking categories. Most connectors let you filter and select exactly what you need so your spreadsheet stays clean and focused. As you build out your workbook, consider naming your queries and tabs clearly, like sales by month or outstanding invoices, so updates are easy to manage. If the connector offers refresh controls, set a refresh schedule or use manual refresh whenever you need up-to-date figures. If something doesn't load, double-check that you're still signed in to the correct Xero organization and that permissions haven't changed. That's the full flow. Open Xero, use the apps icon, go to the Xero App Store, search for Sync Hub, get the app and allow access, then pick the Excel option and start working with live data in your spreadsheet.